Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing. Beautiful summer day here in Coldwater, Michigan. And you know, we're gonna start a three-part video series here. We're gonna kind of look at some different ways that, you know, we talk about J-rating and stages of builds. And I see stuff on social media and advertising about, you know, stage 1 and stage 2 and things like that. And, you know, we kind of got that going on here at JKS. You know, we're always focused on designing and building the Jeep around how you use it. You know, that's how the JRated method works. You know, that's how a lot of things work, you know, is to make sure that you design and build to the way you're gonna use it, not to the way, you know, you might see in a catalog or someone else uses theirs. You know, how you would use it, so it's gonna be ideal for how you know, how you drive it. So I'm standing here in front of a basic 4-door JK. Yes, we still love them. Yes, we still have them. Yes, we still wheel them. And we're gonna call this like stage 1, if you will. This is gonna have our J Venture 2.5-inch kit on it. So you'll notice that is the base, you know, system that we use here at JKS. And you know, with that, we're gonna get a little bit of extra height. We got a 33 1250 on a 17 here. So a little bit bigger tire than stock. You know, this Jeep is very, very capable of being a great daily driver, a fantastic daily driver, actually, improved handling and ride quality. We've got a dual rate coil spring that comes standard with our systems, sway bar quicker disconnects. So for those Jeeps that aren't Rubicon, you know, we got you covered on the sway bar disconnect for when you're off-road. Adjustable heavy duty track bar. Again, this is one of those, you know, weak factory prone to failure parts, you know, we're gonna go ahead and replace. So basically, in this stage, we're taking what Jeep gave us, which is a great, very capable off-road vehicle. We're giving it some extra height, which means we have a little bit more up travel and down travel. And when we say that, we mean we got a little bit more space for the tire to come up into the fender. And when we go down an obstacle, the tire's got more space to go downward, of course. So that's that up and down travel. That dual rate spring provides a little bit more down travel so we can run a little bit longer shock. Speaking of shocks, this is a great time, a great opportunity to put some Fox 2.0 Performance Series, you know, shocks on one of these vehicles. That's gonna be a 2-inch diameter shock, aluminum body, dissipates heat very quickly. It is literally valved and designed around our springs, so ride quality is amazing with these things. So, you know, again, why would you put a J Venture system on your Jeep? Why wouldn't you have all 8 adjustable control arms and all those other things? This is great for your daily driver, your introductory to Jeep, you know, modifications, those type of things. But don't kid yourself. I have wheeled this very Jeep pretty hard off-road in Moab, Utah. This is no slouch on a trail. You know, it will absolutely get with the program. So just because it is the base system doesn't mean it can't perform as well, but it also, again, I go back to that ride and drive quality. You can drive this every day, back and forth to work, school, whatever it might be. It's gonna be more comfortable than it was stock due to that, you know, dual rate coil spring, the shocks, everything we have with it. So a great, great starter system, or you know, just a great platform to build off of with other accessories. So, you know, we'll go a little bit further in stage 2 and 3, so stay tuned. If you've fallen across this video from one of those other stages, check the links below and that'll get you to each and every one. And as always, follow along JKS Manufacturing social media. That's jksmfg.com for the website, JKS Manufacturing on Facebook and Instagram. Check out what we're doing all the time.